In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add calculations in Glide. If you've ever wanted to total up prices, multiply quantities, or build a quick ratio inside your app, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it with Glide's Math Computed column, so your numbers stay accurate and up to date automatically. First, go to Glide and log in. Once you're in, open your Glide project so you're looking at the app where you want the calculation to live. At the top of the screen, click Data. This takes you to the Data Editor, which is where your tables, columns, and computed values are managed. Think of this as your app's spreadsheet, but tightly integrated with your app's components. On the left sidebar, choose the specific table that contains the data you want to use in your calculation. Pick the table that already has the source columns you'll reference, like price, quantity, or date. Keeping the calculation in the same table ensures the math runs row by row on the correct records. Now, click Add New Column. Give your new column a clear, descriptive name that reflects what it calculates, like total, revenue, or BMI. Good names make it easier to find and reuse this result later in your app. Next, choose Math as the type under Computed. Computed columns don't store fixed values. They recalculate instantly whenever the underlying data changes, which helps keep everything consistent without manual updates. Enter your formula. You can combine numbers and reference other columns to perform operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For example, you might enter a formula that multiplies a price by a quantity or divides a distance by time. If you're referencing existing columns, use the column picker so you avoid typos and ensure the formula targets the right fields. Keep an eye on operator precedence and add parentheses when you want to control the order of operations. Choose how to display the result. Set the number format that matches your use case. Round to a specific number of decimal places, show percentages, or add currency formatting if you're dealing with money. Clear formatting improves readability and helps users immediately understand what they're looking at. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. You'll see your new computed column appear in the table, instantly filled for every row based on the formula you just defined. From here, that calculated value is ready to power filters, conditions, and components across your app without any extra work. If you found this step-by-step Glide tutorial helpful, please like the video, drop a comment with your questions or wins, and subscribe to the channel for more practical guides.